Hello boys and girls. Today in math, I'm going to show you something new. We're going to add a 2-digit number to a 1-digit number. My number today is 56 plus 4. Now, you're not going to have enough of these blue base 10 cubes. So what I suggest you do for your ones is maybe find some Cheerios or some Goldfish crackers. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, got an extra there. So this is 56, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Oh, that guy's running right. And now I'm going to add it to 4 ones. No 10s, just 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now right away, I know some of you are going, Mrs. Wren, I'm going to add the ones. I know. You're right. You are going to add the ones first today. Again, and here's why. Because when you add the ones first, you might notice there's something hiding in here. You know what it is? Shout it out if you know it. You're right. It's a 10. Because we've learned that 6 and 4 are friends of 10. So when we add 6 ones and 4 ones together, we get a new 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, when you think of the number 10, you know that there's 1 10 and 0 ones. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that extra 10, we're going to regroup. We're going to regroup and move him over. All right, so we're going to trade it in first. So now we've got this extra 10, and we're going to regroup. Now he becomes a 10. So 6 and 4 is 1 10 and 0 ones. So there's 0 in our ones place. And we have this extra 10 now. I'm going to just for today, I'm going to ask you to just mark it so I know that you know that there is another 10. This set of ones has been regrouped and is now a 10. So let's see. 5, there's no 10s here, so it's just 5, but wait a minute. We do need to add another 10, that new 10 we just made. So 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more 10. 5 and 1 is 6. So we're going to put 6 over here in the 10s place. So 56 plus 4 is 60. Now you might have seen that right away, that new 10, and I hope you do. Maybe you can find it in the next one. Right, again, here's our word, a vocabulary word, regroup today. And I'm going to start with that, with 4 10s and 9 ones, 9 little Cheerio ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that number is 49 plus I'm going to add 2. Now, the first thing you want to do is add 9 and 2, those ones. Now, right away, you probably knew, Mrs. Wren, 9 and only 1 more would make a 10. And you're right. So 9 and 2 more makes 11. Let's see how that's going to look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's that 10. And one more 1 left over. But he's important. We're going to keep him right there. We'll trade these 10 little ones in for this new 10. All right? So we have to regroup and we have to put another 10 up here. And look, it was 11. 1 10 And we still have one left over. One little one, that's him. Okay, so now let's add up our tens and see how many we have. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 to start, and then we got this extra one here. That makes 5. We're gonna put 5 over here in the place value place for tens, and our answer is 51. So 49 plus 2 more little onesies is 51. Now for today, boys and girls, you're going to have problems like this where you'll just get a 10. It'll be 1 10, oops, and 0, like our first problem. And you also will have some where you need to go ahead and say 1 10 and whatever is there left over. Okay? So go ahead and work your problems today. Remember, it is important to add the ones first, just in case you find that you make more than a 10, or if you even make a 10. And for today, we're going to mark it right over the tens place, so we know that that is a new 10. That new 10 is coming in, and he has to be counted too. All right? Okay, good luck. Can't wait to see your work.